Tummy stretch marks happen when the middle layer of your skin, called the dermis, stretches too fast. This causes tiny tears in collagen and elastin fibers that give your skin strength and flexibility. As your skin heals, these tears form visible lines. Okay, sometimes they come out red, then later they turn dark purple, okay, then silver, then white or brown, depending on your skin tone. I hope you understand. All right. Now, I'm sure you'll be wondering, why do I have stretch marks? What caused these stretch marks? Some of you may be surprised and wondering, and I'm here to tell you. Number one cause of stretch mark is what? Pregnancy, because the skin stretches to make space for your growing baby. All right. Number two is what? Rapid weight gain or weight loss. Yes, that is a very, very common cause of tummy stretch marks. The third one is what? Growth spouts during puberty. The fourth one is what? Overuse of creams that contain steroids or bleaching ingredients. I'm sure that this one is the most common cause that a lot of you know, but there are other causes as well. Now, the fifth cause is what? Hormonal changes that affect skin elasticity. All right. Now, why are they so hard to get rid of? I'm sure most of you that have stretch marks, you must have tried one or two ways to get rid of it, but it's very, very hard. The reason why they're hard is because stretch marks form deep inside the skin, okay? Not just on the surface of your skin, okay? Stretch marks go way beyond the surface of your skin, deep down, which is why they don't disappear with just a lotion. It's very, very, very hard to make stretch mark disappear. But there's something you can do. You can fade them, okay? You can smoothen them out. You can make them less visible. But it takes consistency and patience, all right? So you cannot just make a stretch mark disappear. Once you have stretch marks, sometimes it's permanent or it's there for a long time, all right? Now, the earlier you start, the better your results will be. Okay, now what are the step-by-step treatments? I'm sure you have been itching to hear the treatments. Treatment plan for tummy stretch marks. Tummy stretch marks are different from every other stretch marks on the other parts of your body. Okay, this one needs a special care. And that's what I'm going to be telling you now, how to treat them. Number one, step one is what? Moisturize and repair your skin barrier. That is the first way to go about treating stretch marks. Your first goal is to keep your skin hydrated. Moisturized skin heals faster and responds better to what? To treatment. Whatever treatment it is you're doing, you must keep your skin hydrated. All right? I already said the reason. If you are treating a dry skin, it will take time. Sometimes may even cause more damage. Go for products like Palmer's Cocoa Butter Lotion for stretch marks. I'm sure a lot of you know that. Bio Oil is also good for stretch marks. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream is also a very good option, okay, for stretch marks. How do you do it? Massage your tummy area. Massage gently twice a day, both morning and night. That is how you go about it, okay? Now, what does this do? This helps blood circulation and allows healing. Okay, it allows your skin to heal and allows the ingredients to penetrate better into your skin. Remember, I said moisturize. Once your skin is moisturized, the ingredients will penetrate better. Now, the second step is what? Use collagen boosting ingredients. What did I say? Collagen. Why? Because your skin needs collagen, okay, to be healthy. Since stretch marks are caused by collagen breakdown, use products that help rebuild it. You see, that's why I told you that you should get products with collagen, right? Yes. And as you age, your collagen production decreases. That is why you must use ingredients, products that contain collagen. Retinol is one of the most effective ingredients for this. I hope you know that. I hope you know that retinol is one of the most. Okay, try the ordinary retinol 1%. Also try La Roche-Posay retinol B3 serum or the differin adapalene gel. You can also use this particular cream, all right? If your skin is sensitive, use this 2 to 3 times a week. At night only. Always wear sunscreen in the morning. All right? The third step is what? Gently exfoliate that area, gently exfoliate it. Okay, I'm sure you already know why I'm telling you to exfoliate. That's because exfoliation removes dead skin cells, it improves texture, and helps new skin form faster. Do you understand me? You can use amlactin. Let me show you. I have it here. You can use this amlactin lotion with lactic acid. Okay. You can also use the ordinary glycolic acid, which is this. You can use this the ordinary glycolic acid. Okay, or use a natural sugar and honey scrub once in a while, maybe once in 2 weeks. Okay, and you can also use this too. So the fourth step is what? Use hydrating oils and butters. I have one oil here. This is my go-to oil, this Aveeno. Alright. Use natural oils, okay, because this helps to soften old marks and improve elasticity. Some great options include rose hip oil. I don't have it here. I would have shown it to you. Vitamin E oil, shea butter. I have my shea butter here. Coconut oil, all right, or this is a very good oil as well. Number 5 is what? Support healing from the inside. From the inside, eat healthy, all right. Eat foods rich in vitamin C, collagen, zinc, omega-3 fatty acids like citrus fruits, eggs, avocados, and fish. Spice up your food. Eat nutritious food that will heal it from the inside. Okay, again, drink enough water, as in you guys underestimate water a lot. Drink water, hydrate your skin. Okay, hydrate your skin, because the hydrated skin is very, very strong and it's easy to work with. If you've already faded your own tummy marks or your own tummy stretch marks, or you want to prevent new ones from coming, I'm going to give you steps to follow. If you have faded the old ones and you want to prevent new ones from coming, these are the tips that you must follow. Number 1, keep your skin moisturized. I have said it over and over again. Moisturized, not bleached, not lightened. Moisturize. Number 2, avoid sudden weight gain. Once you see that, oh, you're adding too much weight, start working on it before it blows up. Number 3 is what? Use oils or butter during pregnancy to keep the skin elastic. During pregnancy, apply oil. I know it's very hard. Apply oil, apply butters, apply oil to, reduce new ones from coming or prevent new ones from coming, so to say. The next thing is what? Eat healthy and stay hydrated. The next one is what? Avoid bleaching or steroid creams. I don't know why some of you are still bleaching. Black is beautiful. Okay, so use creams like this to help. So, my lovely people, remember, prevention is always easier than repair. So, don't hate your tummy, because stretch marks are natural. Okay, that can happen to anybody. Okay, now what does this show you? Stretch mark shows you that area have grown. You were pregnancy, your body transformed. All right, so if you've learned something from today's video, please drop a comment, share this video, and like this video. Okay, share the video to someone who needs a reminder that stretch marks are normal and treatable. Okay, now please do not forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. I remain your beautiful Jennifer Chris, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. So stay glowing.